You need to watch this video if you're someone that often sells a stock way too soon and then misses out on a bunch of profits, or if you're someone that often holds on to a stock for way too long and then gives all of your profits back. This video is going to give you a free Thinkorswim indicator that's going to tell you exactly when you should be selling and locking in some profits based on the price action itself. So I want to keep this video very short and sweet. There is a link down below in the description for you to actually download this indicator itself and to upload it onto your charts in Thinkorswim. All you have to do is put in your email at the link down below in the description, and then it's going to send you a confirmation email. Once you click on that confirmation link in the email, it's going to automatically send you this indicator to download. 100% free, and you'll be able to use this on any chart that you choose. So I just want to go through a few examples here to kind of give you an idea of how this indicator actually works. Right now we can see that it's going to give us some technical indicators here. We're not going to pay too much attention to that, but we can see here that it has a looser indicator down at the end of this information. And essentially what that means is we have kind of a looser set of criteria here for this indicator. And what we can do is once we actually put this onto our chart, we can go ahead and click on the settings, and we see all of the different settings that are built into this indicator. You can leave them completely how they are by default. You don't need to change anything, but what I've actually done is I've changed it from a strict rating to a more lenient or a looser rating. And we can do that by changing the require all conditions from yes to no. And what this ends up doing is gives you more sell indicators that help you to slowly scale out of your positions rather than sell all at once. And that's what I recommend all traders to do. In my experience, that is the best way to maximize your winning trades, to slowly sell out of your positions as the stock rises higher, rather than trying to nail the exact top and selling all of your shares at once. Okay, and what this looks like on the chart is simply going to be a red arrow pointing down. So if we take a look here at the chart for Hour, HOUR, this was a stock that we nailed in the Market Master group on Friday, had a really big run to the upside, and we can see here in the opening range breakouts alert channel, the opening range breakout for this stock happened at $3.11, and our opening range breakout bot notified us of this breakout in real time. So if we go ahead and just draw that breakout level, this is where we would be looking to buy into this breakout for this stock. And we can see that pretty shortly after we start to get some sell signals based on this indicator. And if we were to scale out maybe 25, 50% of our position into these sell indicators, we would be able to capture a nice scalp on that breakout. And if we hold on to a portion of our position, we get a sell indicator that happens all the way up here just under $5 per share. And from there, it goes a bit higher before starting to fade off to the downside. And then we can see that there are a few really nice sell indicators that happen later on in the day as the stock is peaking back up into the VWAP and into this false breakout here above the VWAP. There are some opportunities to sell out and lock in some profits if you were maybe buying into these dips. Now obviously it's not 100% perfect. No indicator is going to be a perfect reversal point and a perfect point to sell at the highs. Otherwise we'd all be billionaires, but it's a really good indicator that a stock is starting to get really overbought, really overextended, and it's probably a good time to take off some risk and scale out of a little bit of your position. So to give you one more example, we have the stock PAPL. This was another runner on Friday. And if we zoom into the open here, we have a few indicators, that maybe we have a peak in the pre-market session, and we can see it does pull back a bit from that indicator. However, at the open, we then get ourselves another nice opening range breakout setup. It looks like the high of that first 5-minute candle is $5.54. So that would be our breakout level for this trade. And we can see from that point, we don't get a sell signal until all the way up here at about $7.50. So almost 50% higher from that opening range breakout level is where we get our first indicator to sell and lock in some profits on this trade. So again, if you're someone that is regularly selling out of your shares way too soon, kind of just by waiting for this to give you an indicator to sell and lock in some profits, that's going to be a great way to help you, maximize these winning trades and have a little bit more patient with the setup. Obviously, of course, you want to keep a stop loss in place because a reversal, of course, can happen at any time. But by hanging on to this and keeping your risk in place, you're able to really maximize these winning trades, which helps you to obviously offset any of your losing trades. And we can see later on, we end up getting a pullback here. it starts to reclaim VWAP, and let's just say, for example, that you bought into this VWAP reclaim. We then get another sell indicator here with this indicator at about $8.50. So that would have been a really nice spot to lock in some profits back up into those morning highs, which also adds to the confidence of this sell signal. And from there, we can see it does go a bit higher before pulling back and fading down into the close. So I wanted to share this with you guys. Again, make sure to click the link down below in the description to get this downloaded and onto your charts. It can be really helpful for locking in some profits and scaling out of your trades. But I hope you found some value in this video, and if you did, please make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to take your trading up a notch and get access to our real-time trade alerts, our detailed trade plans, our live custom scanner streams, and even access to our day trade bootcamp, all of that can be found at Master the Market. There's going to be a link down below in the description for that as well. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and good luck with your trading.